Did you know that interpreter issues can be a huge problem in an immigration court case? Sometimes. We had a case recently where during the trial, client is testifying in his language, interpreter is translating, but the interpreter wasn't translating everything that our client was saying word for word. Instead, they were like very concisely, like almost summarizing the translation. They weren't doing a good job interpreting what our client was really saying. And so what do you do in that situation? You know, if you're an immigrant and if you're going through immigration court, you've got to be mindful of how your words are being interpreted as best as you can. What we did and what the attorney in my firm did is she objected to the translation, and we ended up submitting a motion in writing requesting that we change the interpreter in the case. And the judge granted that motion, thankfully, and agreed that over and over again we had to object because the interpretation was not good. It was not precisely what the client was saying. And you know, words matter, and the judge latches on to words to find whether or not our client is credible and whether or not their story makes sense.